Hi friends, in this video I have the best classified listing WordPress theme, and I am happy to record this video as this video is going to be 8th video in this category, that is in the classified listing theme and directory WordPress theme. So you can get almost all the best directory listing WordPress themes on this channel now. So I am covering the Classima. Classima is a classified WordPress theme, and it is a really wonderful theme. This is why I chosen to bring this theme on this channel, and it has got many home pages as well. So you can choose any of the home pages out of 6 according to your need and requirement. And this theme uses Elementor, so the latest page builder. Of course it is wonderful, and it also supports the Classified Listing Pro and Store Membership Pro plugins, and fully responsive and mobile friendly, of course. And this theme is, and it has got very wonderful look in itself. And this is the one of the demo of Classima WordPress theme, and it has very clear search functionality. It is just like works like Google. In fact, it is a search engine, and it has very drilled down search functionality. This is why this theme has got the best classified WordPress theme nomenclature. And so if you are in plan for making a directory listing website, this is going to be really a very good catch for you, and it is working very fast, and this is why it is going to be an extra as for your classified listing website. And it has all the features, and this is the another one, another demo website of Classima WordPress theme, and all the demos has very specific look and quality in itself. So you can use this theme, of course, for your upcoming website without any doubt. And the Classima WordPress theme has been developed by, it is Classima is classified ads WordPress theme, and it has been developed by Radius Theme, and Radius Theme are elite authors. And this theme is not so old, and it has got good number of sales in just 2 years, around 1.5 years you can say. So it was developed in 2019, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So it is good that this theme is well updated, and it has all the features of a classified listing WordPress theme, and you can use this theme for your project without any problem, because it is having the full compatibility with the latest version of WordPress. And in this video we are going to install the Classima WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with 2021 WordPress theme and the latest version of WordPress, that is 5.7, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing and uploads, and in uploads I have the main theme file and the child theme file. We will also preview the demo import and the basic customization options in this video only for the Classima WordPress theme. Let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, and upload theme is here. Choose file, and here you need to choose the classima.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, in fact. And the theme file size is just 8.52 MB in size, and it is a very lightweight theme. This is why it is working very fast on the website. And both activities of uploading the theme are same, so you can either upload from the WordPress interface, or you can directly upload on the server. I have chosen to upload on the server, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Classima folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is not required, it was just consuming the server space. And now come back to the theme section of WordPress. Now we have Classima as another theme option. Let us check the details. And this is Classima version 1.7.5. Classima is a clean and modern WordPress theme best suited for classified listing. This theme comes with all the necessary features and pages for classified listing website, and of course we can activate it now. And upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for running this theme, and this theme uses both the base background, that is Elementor Page Builder, and the Redux framework. And Redux framework really a wonderful framework for WordPress, and I always recommend to use the themes having Redux framework, and this is why you are going to get all the technical advantage with this theme. And Classified Listing Pro is already included, Classima Core, Elementor Page Builder, and RT framework, Redux framework is also here. So all the plugins, necessary plugins are here, and I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any errors. And if you are in plan for taking the hosting from WP Themes, you shall be getting the same capacity server. And all installation is now complete. Now we can go back, and now we have to activate all the plugins, and now all the plugins has been activated as well. So now since we have already installed the theme and plugins all, so we can take a look of our website how it looks with the Classima theme and all its associated plugins. This is the basic look of Classima WordPress theme, and this is of course without any demo content. And at this stage, to get a website like any of this, so we need to have a demo content on the website, and you can even start putting your content from scratch without any demo. So choice is up to you, and I will show you the demo content import option. Okay, sorry, just in case you reach on this page, just go to the dashboard, and now it is fine that okay, so we don't need to put any. Okay, so classified listing is here, so I'll show you what listing types of here and how to list. And first I need to import the demo content, and I'm just looking for the option where this is theme options. I can check. I'll show you the theme options as well. Demo importer is not here. I'm just looking for the okay. Demo content install is available under tools section, so simply click on demo content install. Okay, so warning, all of your own data will lost, and install one click demo from here and suitable for any new website. Yes, we are having a new website, so all the options of home pages, 6 home pages is available here, and you can choose according to your need. I'm choosing the first one, that is the default one, and simply click on install, and now the demo importer has been started working, and it is using the Unison demo import option, and it is also a very wonderful demo importer, so it never gets failed, and it takes additional time because it also resizes the images, but it is really a good feature that it resizes images and mm, mm, presents according to screen size. This is wonderful, and it may of course take a bit time in the demo import process, but it is really very helpful for the website. And the image resize and restore process has been started, and there are 196 images to be restored. So 22 is already done, and we have to wait on this screen until it gets complete. So your due patience is required here. Now it is so the import process has been completed. This is why it is being redirected to website, and once the initial demo imported gets complete, it gets redirected to website, and now we have a wonderful website with us, and all the demo content is here, and we are ready with our website. Just we need to put our own content and it will be fine to go. And all listings are also has been included for the demo purposes. It is fine, and you just need to replace your own content from the default ones. And now I'll show you the theme options, as we have completed the installation process with the demo content of Classima WordPress theme. These are the theme options. These are the general theme options where you can upload the logo and change rest of things, and content and socials, header, and you have 4 header options. You can enable or disable sticky header and responsive header, and all such things are here. And footer option is here. Colors we can manage, we can change the primary and secondary color and rest of colors. This is also a good feature that it has been given on the theme panel. And typography we can always change. Layout defaults has been given, so we can change the layout defaults. Page settings are here. Blog archive, post single, search layout, error 404, listing archive, listing single, listing account page, and you can always change trick to change all such things. Blog settings are here, and post settings, listing settings, error page setting, and import export of course. And now I'll show you the classified listings, which is the main feature of this theme. And this is the listing, and I'll show you the listing what is available. So okay, so this is the listing. So these are the basic information: features, feature list, and listing details, listing type, listing category, price, price range, disabled, and all such things are here. Price can be given, and so features can be added, and features can be of course controlled with the list of categories and location, listing types, and stores, custom fields. So you can add or remove custom fields. And this is the contact details, map itself, and gallery, video URL, and discussion, and all such things are here. So you can add new listing or using this screen, and this is the add new listing. So feature 1, feature 2. So okay, so categories are here, so you can add categories, and these are the types which you can handle. And of course, so everything is here to control the listing. It is not so difficult to handle the listing, and you can map all such things. Listing types like thing is here, and stores. Okay, so custom fields, and like you can air conditioner custom fields, you just need to add. So this is the important feature that according to the listing material, you need to add custom fields. Like in air conditioner, you need to add the size and the brand you can choose these options, and you can add or remove these options as well. So custom field is very important for listing feature, because you need to always customize the listing according to the product. And payment history, so users by guest and what pending payment you have received, you can check. Pricing is here, and rest of settings has been given, like monetization, payment, email, and all such things are here. So for it is for listing only, so remember. And membership option is also given, and import option is here, just in case you have any already installed data anywhere. So it is fine that all features are here, and these are the main features available in the Classima WordPress theme. And now, just in case you want to edit the content of any specific page, just open that page and just click on edit with Elementor. This theme uses Elementor, so it is easy to use and handle the page contents. And just open the page and click on edit with Elementor. You shall be fine for editing the page content. Just click on the edit icon, pencil icon, which you want to edit, and you will be good to edit any content in the left panel. And so areas you can manage, and just be careful while editing at least home page, and you can take a backup using any duplicated plugin. And you can handle the categories, what category you want to show from here, and you can just add or remove categories, what listing you want to show on the home page, and it will be good. So no need to go for very advanced customization, it is already here, and all elements has been arranged properly. You just need to add your original content, I mean listings, and you will be good to go with the website. And you have 4, 5, 6 options for home pages, and you can choose any. And now you might have some questions regarding this theme, so just feel free to contact me in the comment section of this video, and I am also going to give the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can get this theme for your website. Just click on the magenta color button marked as Get Classima WordPress Theme, and you shall be able to complete your order from there. And you can also get the pre-installed theme using the options available on the page, so that you may have direct hosting and domains and all such necessary things for your website, and you will be able to directly customize your website. And fine, so you can get in touch directly with me using the comment section of that page, for which link has been given in the description. So I always used to answer the query of my visitors, so don't worry. So we are here, and we will definitely make a very wonderful website using Classima WordPress theme. And if you are first time visitor of this channel, I would request you to just subscribe this channel, so that you may get the recent updates on the themes, plugins, and utilities. Thanks for watching.